29th, 30th, and 31st of May as a 3-day sit at home for the Biafrans, for them voting for one nation. That's for their freedom. Do you not think this is affecting the businesses of the?
I'm a Jew now. I'm a Biafran man. I shouldn't think otherwise. No, I shouldn't have done that. I'm thinking it is right, and I'm supporting what Ekpa is doing. See, you know one thing. Everybody at the same time cannot hate one man. Listen and listen. There are people that will love him. If anybody has hated nnamdikanu, hated Simon Ekpa, it can be the whole Igbos. Some persons are doing that. Some persons are giving them kudos, while others are knocking on them. Ekpa's narrative to sit at home for 3 days is generally accepted by Biafran faithfuls all over the world. If Biafrans don't have faithful in Nigeria, we have Biafra faithfuls uncountable in America, uncountable in Caribbean island, Southern America. You have many people in Haiti that are hailing Biafra today. So if you hate Biafra in Igbo land, shut up your mouth. You can't compel other Biafrans to help Biafra, to hate Biafrans in Italy, in Europe, and other continents of the world. Biafrans are loved generally in India, generally in Australia. Every Igbo in Jamaica, they love Biafra. Because Biafra is a place to be. The symbol of love, symbol of new technology and science advancement in Africa is Biafra. Virtually 50-something years of Biafra emancipation. After the war, Biafrans began to do exploits. Many things made in Biafra, shoes, blazers, suits, unbeatable in the world market is from Biafra land. I want to tell you that Innocent has started manufacturing car almost 5 years now, made in Biafra. Symbol of new technology in Africa. See, Africa should join together and give Biafra what? Independence, so that this continent will wake up from their slumber. Biafra is the hope of African continent. If they want the sun to rise on this continent, they should embrace Igbo nation called Biafra. Because we are moving forward. How many years old are we after the Nigerian Biafra onslaught, military onslaught? Still see the advancement, the development, how far we had gone so far. Sit at home just 3 days could never be that devastating or destructive to Igbo man's business. I think everybody must imbibe, obey, cooperate with Simon Ekpa. That order has come to stay. You don't fight government of Nigeria with arms. No, we fought civil war. It is a diplomatic war. Systematically, we are getting there. Sit at home order by Simon Ekpa is very, very advisable and welcomed by people like us. Because why? We want African continent to be liberated, free of new colonization by Britain and Nigeria. We don't want to be among them again. And we have made up our hearts, our mind to live. And as I'm talking to you now, we have been disembarking every minute, every second, every hour, every day, every week, every month, every year that goes. Biafra is going away from Nigeria. Keeping that narrative of sit at home, 3 days time, 3-day sit at home is what? A welcome call. It opens the eyes of every able-bodied Igbo man that means well for that land, southeastern Nigeria. We must sit at home 3 times. That is how to fight government. They are resilient on hate, oppression, suppressing Igbo man, marginalizing Igbo man. We are resilient on doing what? Using diplomacy to fight them. We don't cut anybody with machete. We don't shoot anybody with gun. What we are doing is We are diplomatically fighting for our rights. Over the years, Nigeria has been over-marginalizing Igbo man, burning his establishment where he makes and earns, where he makes his money, setting it ablaze, overcharging fares at the port, Tinkan Island, stopping incoming of cargo plane to Umweri, collecting too much fare from us at the Tinkan Island. So this time around, we are using diplomatic warfare, psychology. If we sit at home 3 days, to whom it concerns, does it concern anybody? Never allow somebody's problem stop you from sleeping. It is Igbo man's problem over there, and they are not complaining. The only thing is, leave them, allow them to do their own thing. Remember that every May, month of May is Remembrance Day for emancipation of Biafra. That was the day Lieutenant Colonel Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu announced the liberation, independence of Biafran nation. And it all got well, it worked for 36 months. We felt the regime of Biafra and we felt well about it. We lived big during Biafran regime of 36 months, that lasted 36 months from 1967 to 1970, January. So, Concord May is the D-Day. We are remembering Biafra. Biafra must surely come, and it has come.
And we've seen the US give a report that the 2023 election was there was suppression, vote buying, violence, in the 2023 election. But actually, why didn't they come out, last year, to give the report? And why is it that it took them time? Actually, what they said is it? I don't know, because with this report now, you know, to give the obedience power, to start maybe causing memes, in the country.
Thank you so much. I like this. What happened last year during the election has made it possible for Biafra to go. That is what is giving us more dynamism, more impetus, more prerogative to stand firm on agitation for Biafran emancipation. They stopped Toby. Mandate given to Obi was stolen by Tinubu. And that is more or less reasons why Biafra must go. MUST, under compulsion. Compulsorily, Biafra emancipation is what? On course. It has come to stay. If not that, some persons truncated that Igbo man's effort to rule Nigeria. And we'll be talking about why are we agitating for Biafra again? Why should we go? Why not stay? Now that Nigeria has been restructured under the good care of Peter Greg Obi. But you can see it. Our slave masters, they refused to obey his mandates. Our imperialists, Britain, they supported what INEC did. Was it not yesterday that America has come out and said Obi outrightly won election, that Tinubu rigged election of 2023? Why did they say it? Come out so late to tell the whole world the truth. There are many things wrong with Western policies. The way the West has been handling issues bordering on politics, democracy on the continent of Africa. There are many things wrong with it. Why not come out during the hearing at the court, electoral tribunal, where we are reading and chewing gum for over 12 hours? Why not come into Nigeria using their own ambassador here to invasion, the courts? Okay, there are many things wrong with the wise king when there is an issue on this continent of Africa. Are you listening to me? Igbo man won that election. Tinubu said no. Why do you want them to stay again? Biafra or Nigeria? They said no. Igbo man should be hanging on the air. They want us to be bats. We are not for up. We are not for down. See, let me tell you, Biafra has come to stay. The reason why Igbos did not come out en masse to protest last year was that, one, Hausa voted Igbo. Yoruba voted Igbo. Efik voted Igbo. Urobo voted for Igbo. The whole Ikaibos, the whole South, the whole North, the whole Southwest voted Igbo. How do you expect Igbo man to come and protest and fight Yoruba that voted for him? We didn't come because we are looking at our brothers. Provided they sit back and relax, we sat back and relaxed as well. Which was why, when the protest was going on, Igbo man said no, they are not going to protest. Yes, protest for what? Why are we protesting?
Maybe because Obi came third.
Obi was the first person. Obi won an election, Obi did not come third. You should shut up and close your mouth saying Obi come third. You are telling the whole world lies. America came out yesterday, are you deaf? And tell the whole world. America was telling the whole world that Obi won election 2023. America said it yesterday. Didn't you see it on social media? See, let me tell you, if Obi is going there to contest again, he's on his own. Why? He did not fight for what was given to him last year. He's now waiting for 2027. When Tinubu will fight Obi with the resources of this country, Tinubu is in control of NNPC, CBN, everywhere. Can Obi go and contest it with him? He will buy Obi. Tinubu will buy everywhere come 2027. What are you saying? Okay, it is impossible for Obi to win election 2027. I'm telling you. Starting from me, I won't go. I don't want to go and suffer myself. At the end of the day, Obi will sit down and say, leave them, leave them. I will not go. What are you saying?
Things might change this time around.
It's not changing anything. It's going to get worse come 2027. Because Tinubu will virtually buy the whole country. The money he's using this time around is not his personal money. He's going to use our commonwealth to make sure that he bought INEC again. He's going to buy INEC again. That's my own take.
Okay, I'm sorry, lastly, we've seen Onitiri. Onitiri, she has not, after what happened, she has not come out to, even despite our building being demolished, she has not come out to, give update as regards what's happening. Is it that she has been bullied to a corner to not to talk?
Onitiri, if you ask me, is a Yoruba woman. Anything Yoruba is always like that. Maybe he has compromised and failed to be moved. Maybe he has been intimidated out by her kinsmen who went to her compound and demolished her building. If you ask me, that building that was destroyed, has it changed anything? Has it stopped emancipation of Oduduwa Republic? I will tell you no. Why did Chei Makinde go there and destroy the building? He acted like somebody without sense. I love Chei Makinde. Every canal in Nigeria, Makinde is a good man. Destruction of Onitiri's compound, he should go there and rebuild her house for her. She did not do anything wrong. See, the army uniform they wore, that was where they get it wrong. You cannot just march in there, start fighting. That's not how to agitate. And as we targeted that house, State House, it begins to look like insurrection. That's why Makinde was overprovoked. And I'm not petting Makinde gold for destroying that house. Destruction of that house is a wasting of what? Resources. It's a waste of resources. It doesn't change anything. The only thing it could do is rebuild Onitiri's house for her. Yoruba Republic of Oduduwa has come to stay. It is left for Yoruba to fight for what is theirs. If they are looking at Igbo, Biafra to come and help them is a lie. We don't want to go with them. At the end of the day, they will retreat. They will go back. No. Let everybody fight for his or her own. I listen to me. Emancipation of Oduduwa, I support it. Destruction of Onitiri's compound, I don't support it. Putting on uniform to attack Makinde's office, I don't support it. But there are ways they should have gone about it. It's not destruction of building. Then that woman coming out to defend himself, it is a lie. How could you advise a woman to come to Nigeria, that is hell, to defend a hellish country, to defend himself? Onitiri should sit back in the USA or Britain, wherever she is. Because coming to Nigeria is just like a visit into the abyss. If it comes, she will be consumed. I think it's the right time she sit back to do his homework well on Republic of Oduduwa's agitation. That's my take.
Thank you.